Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can add beneficiary in Chase Bank. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Now, firstly, what is beneficiary? A beneficiary inherits an account assets in the event of the account holder's death. For IRAs, you can designate one or more beneficiaries, and for non-retirement accounts, you can use the transfer on death process to add one or more beneficiaries. Now, if you would like to add a beneficiary or just change it, simply navigate to the main menu at the top left corner of the screen. Now, under the Investments tab, you will be able to change or add beneficiary. Simply add one or make changes to the current ones, and that's it. And this is basically how you can add beneficiary in Chase Bank. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be with you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.